Drugs once considered off limits or even dangerous may soon become legitimate in mental health treatment. The FDA is fast tracking the review of some psychedelic-based medicines following a recent executive order from President Donald Trump. Ivan Rodriguez has more on what this means for patients and the questions that still remain.
The Food and Drug Administration issued national priority vouchers to 3 companies studying psychedelic-based medicines: psilocybin, the active ingredient in magic mushrooms for treatment-resistant depression and major depressive disorder, and methadone, a drug similar to MDMA for post-traumatic stress disorder.
Psychedelics really are a paradigm changer, and potentially, I think we don't yet know how much, but there really seems to be a unique way that they have of working, that 1 or 2 doses can cause rapid relief of symptoms within a couple of days, and that for many people that relief seems to last for weeks or months.
But the path forward isn't without concern. Dr. Hellerstein wonders what will happen once these drugs move from tightly controlled studies into real-world use.
The studies that are done for FDA approval, they really handpick very selected groups of people who are they have the pure disorder, they don't have other conditions, psychiatric or medical conditions, and they're treated in a very high intensity, high pressure kind of setting in which there's the least chance of bad things happening. Then once a drug is released to the general public, you have what's called effectiveness. We were studying efficacy before, now you're studying the effectiveness in large populations. These are people, many of them, who would never have been approved to get into a study. They have other conditions in addition to the depression or PTSD.
I'm Ivan Rodriguez reporting.
Now, the American Psychiatric Association says it welcomes federal investment into research into psychedelic therapies as treatment options for serious mental illnesses. The organization added they do have concern about fast-tracking FDA approvals, though.